On today's Language Learning Minute, we'll look at two words that English language learners commonly confuse in a sentence. And those words are fun and funny. These words are both adjectives, but their meanings are different. For example, the word fun we use to describe something you enjoy doing. For example, the people in the picture are riding a roller coaster at Kings Island. So we could say, I went to Kings Island yesterday. It was really fun. Or, that was a fun roller coaster ride. The word funny we use to describe something or someone that makes us laugh. For example, the people in the picture are laughing at a funny movie. So we could say, Guardians of the Galaxy is a funny movie. Or, Chris Pratt always makes me laugh. He is so funny. Now let's look at some wrong and right examples. So we cannot say, I went to Kings Island yesterday. It was really funny. Kings Island is a place. A place cannot make you laugh. It does not talk. So we have to use the word fun. I went to Kings Island yesterday. It was really fun. Also, we cannot say, my friend always makes me laugh. He is so fun. That doesn't describe something that makes you laugh. We need to use the word funny. My friend always makes me laugh. He is so funny. So remember, use the word fun to describe something you enjoy, and use the word funny to describe something that makes you laugh.